Hello viewers, welcome back my YouTube channel. The episode opens deep in the heart of the Golden Valley. There was a library unlike any other. It wasn't built of stone or wood, but carved directly into the roots of a massive, ancient oak tree. This was the library of Lost Thing. Its librarian was an old gentle badger named Barnaby. He wore off Moon's spectacles perched on his snout, and a visit with deep pockets. Barnaby's job was unique. Whenever someone in the world lost something precious, a forgotten childhood toy, a misplaced brass key, or even a lost train of thought, it would magically appear on one of Barnaby's polished wooden shelves. Barnaby took great pride in organizing these items. Everything is a home, he would murmur, cataloging a shiny glass marble or a crumpled love letter, and everything is waiting to be found again. The girl who lost her spark one rainy evening is the tea kettle vestal of Barnaby's stone. They have been named Maya stamped inside. She didn't look wet from the rain, but she looked incredibly tired. Her eyes were dull and her shoulders slumped. "Welcome to the library," Barnaby said kindly. "Are you looking for a missing umbrella or perhaps a favorite silver?" Maya shook her head. "No, I am looking for my spark. I used to love painting, dancing, and looking at the stars, but lately everything just feels grey. My her teacher told me I lost my imagination."